do a record from it for us to also to report. Dili on. Oh, yes. I will record it and ako. Okay, so sige, turn off niyo yung camera. Subscribe. Parang, just subscribe para ma-notify mo yung mga bagong email. Okay, can you see my screen? Wala pa, no? Oh, may mas bahay sila. Okay. Kaning mo ninyo ang makita niyo. Mo ninyo ha, final. You can zoom in. You can zoom in. You can zoom in also. You can Okay, so what is Barangay Uno? What? Barangay Tanay City. Mga tana lang. Nakainom-nom ka itong Mamarilin itong ilang bats na kanong ka-orasyon ba? Bas ang orasyon, no? Barangay Uno to, ilang barangay doon? Itong ilang system.
Ang barangay Uno kay dito man sa Kuan. Kini sa Kingston dati. Ang tracer?
Dito tracer nila. Barangay.
Barangay?
Itong barangay information system nila ba?
Pero dito to sir, kay kaway sa nako sa Kingston ang
Wala mo kung dalas mo hard disk dito. Kaya hard disk. Makacheck po kasi sa email na. Dito mo na sa email ni sa Facebook na ito ni Kuan, no? Tumusend ka na ako?
Hindi mo ito ano ba?
Kaliw ko na ako, ma'am. Hindi Kaya kung pag-title na ako, pag-hatag na ko na balik niyo, may Facebook naman giyapon to, no? Wala mo tawag gamit yung email. Kaliw ko na ako bulong ila, murag barangay something to. Hello guys, I am checking with your, because last 2 years, they already created or have a proposal like this one sa inyo, ha? Anong barangay Uno sa Tanay? Sa Bais. Kasi may taga-Bais na din yun dire. What barangay? Kalasgaan man diay. Then anong barangay Uno? Sinisel Tanay. Gayo Tanay. Why not try to barangay sa Kalasgaan na lang? Did you already went to Barangay Uno?
Ay, noon sir. Kuan. Ang title kay Record Management System for Bali City Samsung Pamunso Just na data.
Adi, nakakuha na.
Ay,
Ilan ang Jesher?
Jesher din eh.
Wala din sa team.
Ah,
Ilan Jesher yun? Patong murag information system. So, ng ilang orasyon. Kaliya ko na kung... We are checking here kay similar.
sir, wala din.
Ha?
Wala sir,
Kuha na ako, ibang send.
wala din na send mo na ako. Kasi nakikita kay, una ko po din sila. Dali lang din nga ba?
Itong una ninyo, plus dread to?
Oh, plus drive ba to? Direct ninyo ba? Kani ka talaga ninyo din sa mga ng balay.
Okay. Sige, salamat Ma'am Marilyn.
Sir,
Okay, so I cannot if naari mas barangay uno barangay dos. Di ko sure barangay uno barangay dos ba to, but they already they're batch with Ma'am Marilyn na ito silang grupo ilang orasyon. They have the same title proposal for you guys. So probably I am suggesting if o wala pa makaadto sa barangay uno na kuan, barangay hall, and meet the barangay secretary and barangay captain. We can we go to another place where accessible ninyo? Where? Barangay Uno, Tanay? Kano yung kalasgaan kay duha mo kabuok? Ano barangay ba is kalasgaan day? Kay duha. Michelle. Unsa man okay ra barangay seat, barangay seat. Barangay 7. Gilang okay, I want you to classify what kind of system that you are going to create, or what proposal, what kind of system, information system, good? Why information system? Let me know. So this is intended only for, okay, so ato ko na siyang i-practically we will try to think it morning, no? The system is running right now. For example, we have a system. Asa mo ito ibutang ang system? Where we will put the system. Okay, so this is intended for barangay. So for example, no, I am new for that place, barangay 7. So I need to go to the barangay hall for me to record my information. Then what happened? Usually this is now where also muna, it is locally, for example, I am from from Tayasan, and I will visit Barangay 7, then automatically I will go first to the Barangay Hall before I can go to a certain place in Barangay 7. Ako kasabot para sa so you have the information of all the residents in Barangay 7. Then what happened? Then what will be the system's capability? Because ang statement ng Governor sa Senegal niya is to help in pandemic, di ba? At ito yung statement. So how okay, so because ang information system, you have to create to only to specify what are the things na umubuhaton in that particular barangay. So, just to give information, or unsa man. Libo ko kay ang problema na inyong solbaron, dili kay siya specific. You are just introducing something for us to develop. Klaro ako? Oh, we have a problem siguro because Norso is using the ISP for Norso is a PLDT. Murag wala pa na okay ang PLDT na connection siguro. So please bear with me about this problem. So if it will continue, so ato pa rin siyang i-call lang gid. Sige inana, paminawa lang ko because on the recorded video wala man na siya iputol-putol. Pwede rin yung i-rewatch o balik sa YouTube. Okay? So, ang ako lang yun is, ganahan may makabalo is, what will be the particular problem in the barangay that you are going to solve? What particular problem? Ano po kung hatagan na yung kwarta, di malukit ang kwarta. Ano na? Di ka maklaro kay putol-putol. Sige ka repeat. Sige, okay ra. You just repeat for me for us to understand. Sige daw. Okay ra. Continue. So, dili update ng record. It's just normal in Philippines na nagkamanganay. Then, diyan. Pero ano no, we don't want to do that to make to really easy. We will help the kamang for them to pagkamang. What I mean is, tinatabangan sila na mas sayo nila ang pagtrabaho sa pagkamang, di ba? So, ang kulang lang gyud for us, for your team, is to really go into a particular barangay and look into their problem. So, I will makato dito. Kilang. Yes. So, okay, so you have similar proposal with Lubiano. They are now on Barangay Malaga, Pindoy. We have record management system Ilaha, and I will let you talk with their group kung unsa ilang similarity because they will now tomorrow. You should have is because Barangay Malaga and Barangay 7 in Koan and Tanhay, they are both barangay, pero probably in record keeping and other concerns lain na sila problema, di ba? So dili gina siya ingon na the problem in Barangay Malaga will be the same as Barangay 7 in Tanhay. So ang akong gi-advise gud nila is really go to have an appointment of the secretary tomorrow at 4 PM and siguro to they will meet the barangay secretary and the barangay captain together with me for us to really identify the problem of their barangay. muna mo ang isabot nila. And the title for them is Barangay Management System. All the works on the barangay will be automated. Ano siya? So kung same man mo, pero I don't want to really have a similar problem with you guys sa barangay. Pero I want to be enthusiastic and realistic. The Barangay 7 in Tanhay and Barangay Malaga in Bindoy, lahi man gud siya kay ang Bindoy is not a city. It is a municipality. And it is Malaga is more on fishing ang ilahang income. How about sa inyo ha? You are in where is the Barangay 7 located? It is a proper Tanhay. Oh, so the way of living of Barangay 7 and Malaga is not the same. So meaning probably the problems also arising in that barangay are not the same with Barangay Malaga. So probably you have the same record management system in Barangay 7, but the problems they are really concerning is not the same with the problems of Malaga also. So I want you also, nakasabot mo sa inyo ang the difference of the two barangay. Same man mo, probably that will be the same system that you are going to propose. Pero the kind of system that you are going to develop, not the same. Lain mo problem. For example, also man, are you willing to continue with this kind of with the proposal or tama? Oh. So I want you. So ako na lang inyong buhaton. Set a date for kasi may mo set ani si Nisel. You have to talk with the barangay secretary. Barangay secretary and barangay captain are the two key person who will really identify the problem in recording of the documents in barangay in Tanhay. So can you visit Nisel right this afternoon? Kisa na naas na din sila sa barangay. Kung pwede lang, so pwede lang makapangutan na sa kato mga initial interview din. Set na lang date if mag-meet mo, pila na lang po for us to really identify kung sa inyong galamon. Pwede raw ma, pero ayaw ra buntag because I have a schedule also. Ubang groups na nabilin. Pwede ra hapon. Kamo, set lang mo update time. I want because when you go there probably pag una nyo ato dito probably nasa mga busy na mga butang. I want it na when you go back you are the one who will be catered. Okay, usually kung abot mo dito na mabisitan, hindi mo dyan na sila yung nakuan mo na sila na surprise what is your needed information and ano ba. Mato lang mo ito na karon I would just want you to or if kaila ka sa barangay secretary ni Sel and barangay captain, pwede lang yung sa barangay secretary ni mo na ma'am or auntie ba ni mo or uncle ba ni mo na can we have a proposal like this, create a system for barangay o sa may problema sa inyong sa itong barangay for recording and all the things that needed for recording, ano ba. Then na ay problema, pwede na to na siya we can talk it with kanang yung proper time, kanang yung na-set na yun ng time na with the barangay captain for really ba ang next time na is kana na yung tanan na ginatong yung ilang problema na pwede nilang ma-share pero pag meet ninyo for example og more karon and then we find out na they have already the automated na they have now the computer to record all the data na sa system, so no need to go further. Check lang sa moron. Is it okay ra ba to visit any place in Tanay? Is it okay ra sa Tanay? Michelle? Okay, so kung palag na lang akong ingon ni Michelle na ato na lang buhaton is to go there patuwas ni Michelle kung ba ng auntie na makistorya ani unsa may mga problema while doing the recording unsa man ang gipang record sa ng barangay. Can we propose a system to develop for the secretary to work efficiently and effectively? Then kung nagi siya next mo set na mo date na mobalik si Nicel na ato yung pamina ato na yung taon kung sa ang ilang mga problema binagsa para makasulat mo sa inyong project context. By the way, if you didn't know what is the project context, what is the intended problem to be solved, you cannot write in a project context. That is why when I read your project context, wala gid siya tumong sa inyong buhaton. Just ang inyong buhat is to develop a system. Di ba? Mura man inyong ganahan. But what kind of system that you are going to develop and what are the functionality? So, muna to ang kinahanglan. So, a good project context needs to go deeper in knowing the real situation and reality about a certain organization. What are their problems? Because their problems could lead us for your solution. And the solution will be the form of your proposed system. Nibalik na ni Nicel. Nicel, is your auntie is the secretary of your barangay? Imo bang auntie may sekretary sa barangay? So may sigayog si Nicel gaoban mo karon? Kaya ko man. Sakpan. Eko man god. Klaro man god na. Eko dili. Mamatay. On cam. I dare you, on cam. Di mo on. Okay? Jadi na on. Idalagan pa si Gayo o si CR matumang. Wala na ka on cam mo. Natarantar. Okay, so Nicel, auntie pa nimo tong kuan. Ito, secretary sa barangay ninyo. So, can you talk with her about your proposal? So, Say ko sogro ang god. Nicel. Wala na. Okay. Hoy, Nicel, ano oras Nicel? Gusto sa inyo, ito na ipaliyog explain ni Nicel about ato. Paliyog na lang ko. Oh. May putol-putol na, klaro kayo mong tingong. Ilado naman. Nakatawan na. Rosa, di ba Rosa? Putol-putol. Marag robot. Malaki ni robot. Palihog na lang ko palihog na ko Rosa pag explain ni Nicel kung sino yung unang buhaton. Really, you cannot create a proposal without knowing what is the problem. So, identify as a problem. You go into, then, after na namin problem, na namin nakita na problem, you can construct a project context, project purpose and description of the project. So, na ako'y discussion, ganyan ang buntag po, ako i-upload silang ilahang all the discussion ako itong discussion about saan pag create a good project proposal for chapter 1 na ako i-discuss dito. So ilang tawa lang I used the funnel diagram, itong funnel, itong imbodo O ganiya po akong gi-example gaya na katong inverted triangle. Kita mo inverted triangle, di ba? Ang triangle is ba pointed ang sa taas, i-invert nang siya nimo. Ang pointed siya sa ilalom. So unsa imong buhaton ana is you write your project context from general overview to specific. General na first paragraph ninyo general in the diba tong you are talking about what kind of system that you are going to develop or the technologies that emerging right now. Then second paragraph probably is the organization that you've selected that's still using the manual way, diba? You mo siyang i-state. Third paragraph is you tell about siguro what are the problems they encounter using manual way of recording something. Then fourth paragraph siguro is your observation, how you're going to solve the problem. Then probably the last paragraph siguro will conclude that you are going to develop or propose a system for in order to them to help to solve their problem. So gikan sa inverted triangle, gikan sa general hangtod specific na imong buhatan. I already discussed it with the other groups, so please lang lantaw itong mga previous videos for us, for you to really to develop or craft a good project context, because the good project context will lead you with a good purpose of the study, objective of the study, and scope and limitation. So di ara magsugod tanan. Okay? So any questions? Palihog na lang ko. So I will not go into deeper about your proposal here because it is stated with all the things that marami mga haka-haka ra ninyo ng mga speculation sa mga problema sa barangay. I want it to be realistic what is the problem gyud ha. Para para ginakonta nindot ng kalasgaan kay dili kid siya pero okay pa ng barangay 7 in Tanhay. So ang ako na lang ninyo is to maintain next submission of your proposal. I will just set a deadline lang later on. But I want you to, when you submit, I will check the 8 on turn it in. I want it na 0 to 10 lang ang similarity report ha. So once na 0 to 10, I will accept it, pero more than 10%, I will not accept it. Okay? So sa inyo previously you have a 12% similarity report, so I don't want to see like that. So I want it to 0 to 10. Okay? Okay, kay tungod ana because every project proposal, especially for chapter 1, all of the problems will be stated with the organization. So lahi-lahi na sila problema. As an example, Barangay Malaga and Barangay 7 is not the same. Okay, so lahi-lahi sila problema. So you state with the same different problem you encountered in Barangay 7. So you have different solution on that particular problem. So di mo naman magkaparehas. So everything that you state in your chapter proposal is came from you, so dili mo base sa internet. Okay? Any questions? Clarifications? So wala na. Okay, thank you for joining our session for today. Just beat me up. Just call me lang. No, you have already my contact number. Just call me. Murag sinisila na number na ko. Just contact me and then contact. I will just give it out. I will just put in on our GC of my number for you to contact me. Kung tawag ako because para makuanta madali ko inyo makontak and can answer you directly also. Okay? Okay, so if wala na question, thank you for joining. Keep safe everyone. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye-bye. And now, pag-date